everyone, welcome to Funwax Art and Craft. Today we are going to learn this beautiful bottle decoupage art using some Fevicryl colors, decoupage napkins and clean washed bottle. So here I have a sponge and white acrylic paint which we are using on a clean and dry bottle to give the bottle the first layer, the base layer. We are going to make such two layers. So sponge is used so that a textured paint can be done. When the sponge is dabbed on a bottle using the white color, it gives it a beautiful texture, a rough texture which can never be given by a brush. But yes, of course, if you do not have a sponge, you can use the brush. It's going to give a liney texture. So every nook and corner of the bottle has to be painted. Using the sponge, you have to take care that none of the corners are left. So once the first layer will get dry, we are going to make the second layer. So after it is dried, I am giving a second layer to the bottle. Let it dry and then we are going to keep our decoupage napkin ready to be pasted on the bottle. Here I have a decoupage napkin. So when we open it, it is a big huge napkin. The amount that you want to use, you have to cut it. So I just used here 1/4 of that napkin. It has 3 layers. So very carefully you have to extract the 3 layers. The top layer has the print which we have to use. The other layers you have to throw them away. So they are of no use. You can use them in any other manner. But yes, this is the part which we have to use. You can cut it with a scissor. Now the base color white matches the base color of this napkin. So the shapes or the print that you want to paste on the bottle, you have to cut it down very carefully. Cut the extra part if you do not require it. It is a very sensitive, very thin napkin, so while cutting it, you have to be very careful. So here I am cutting them in parts because our bottle is small and we are going to paste it here and there. And then the extra white portions will be removed. Now we will discard the extra white portions and the amount that has to be pasted is this. Now the bottle is also dried. We are going to place the napkin on the bottle and using a Mod Podge gloss, we are going to paste the napkin on the bottle. Now this napkin is a little big, so I have cut the bottom part of it also. Now I am placing it on the bottle. Hold it nicely and using the Mod Podge gloss, using a brush, you can use a flat brush, a round brush, any brush. Apply the gloss on the napkin very carefully. You have to apply it on the complete napkin. You can first apply on the base also and then paste the napkin upon it. But very carefully because it is very thin, it gets teared off very easily. The method to apply the Mod Podge is very easy, but you have to be careful while applying it. Starting from one corner of the napkin, you have to move towards the other. You cannot do like this that you paste one corner and then paste the other and then apply glue in the center. No, you have to start from one corner and then slowly and steadily move towards the other corners. So here my first napkin part is ready. Using the same procedure, we are going to paste the other parts of the napkin on the bottle here and there wherever you feel like. And when you are pasting it, if you feel that it is turning or somewhere it is not pasting properly and there is a turn on the bottle, then starting from this one corner, moving towards the other, wherever you find that the napkin has to be folded, use a scissor and cut it very nicely. Now this part of the napkin I will have to cut because this is something extra. Now see here, something is bulging out, so using a scissor I'm cutting it. Now while using the Mod Podge, this can be pasted nicely and this will gel into the bottle. Friends, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. It will help me make more videos. Please subscribe to the channel. Meanwhile, I am pasting these flowers on my bottle using the Mod Podge glue. Everywhere we have to apply a layer of Mod Podge. You can even apply 2 layers of Mod Podge. Once the first layer dries, you can apply the second layer. I am just applying one layer. It is gelling very nicely, and after it comes out, the result will be beautiful, elegant, and you can decorate any one corner of your house using this bottle. When the pasting of all the pictures will be done, we will use acrylic color to paint the bottle here and there. Now it depends upon your choice, what do you want to make on the bottle. Here my pictures are pasted. I let this bottle dry, and after drying of the bottle, I'm using a pink acrylic color to paint the top of the bottle. Once the top part of the bottle dries, using the back side of the brush, dip it in the paint and put 3 dots on the bottle here and there. 3 dots. Wherever you find white, or maybe it is in white napkin, white places, it will be filled and it will gel into the bottle. This is going to give the bottle a very elegant look. Now the bottle is getting ready to give a perfect corner to your house. This bottle art is really very soothing. If you like my videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for the future notifications. It will help you to understand when my new video is uploaded. And please do leave a comment for me in the comment section underneath. and share it with your friends. Please, 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 friends, support by subscribing. See, the bottle is ready, and let us decorate one corner of the house with it now. Let me know when you make this bottle. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and thanks for watching the video. Bye bye for now.